Hello everyone! Nikki's feeling sick.
Oh, no.
Now we need to take care of her. Look, here are the medical tools. Oh no! They have vanished! We have to find the tools. Please help us, friends.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Friends, we have this mission. Let's complete it to find the medical tools. White, into the white cup. Pink, where is it? This cup? No. How about this cup? My mistake. And here, its cup is right here. Purple? Here it is. Orange, it goes in this spot. Yellow is over here. Red into its position. Blue, right here. Perfecto! Look everyone, there is our medical tool, a syringe. A syringe has a small tube and a very sharp needle tip. The small tube is used to hold medicine, and the sharp metal needle tip helps pump medicine into our bodies more easily. Doctors use syringes to inject medicine or take blood from patients. Oh, piles of sand! I really love playing with sand. Let's see if there's anything inside them. And let's see. Green sand. It's an ambulance. Continuing. It's a doctor. Doctors examine and treat patients. Now we still have blue sand. Let's see if there's anything inside. Oh, it's one of our medical tools, a dental mirror. A dental mirror is a tool specifically for dentists. It has a tiny mirror attached to a long handle. Dentists use it to look inside the mouth and see the teeth clearly. Thanks to that, they can find cavities or dirty spots. Oh, look at this, everyone! We have characters and internal organ puzzle pieces. Now let's put them in the right spots. The brain is here. These are the lungs, and they go here. Liver. Heart. Stomach. Bladder. Intestines. And finally, the pancreas. Look, it's a stethoscope. Hooray! A stethoscope has a long wire, 2 ends that go into the ears, and 1 round end placed on the chest. Doctors use it to listen to the patient's heart and breathing. Thanks to the stethoscope, the doctors can diagnose the health status of the internal organs in our bodies. Wow, wow! Look at this, everyone! The vehicles are almost ready to depart. Now the passengers need to get on board. The student needs to get on the bus quickly to go to school. The police officer also needs to get to the police station. Now let's help the officer on board. Aha! It's the firefighter in the orange suit. The firefighter is here. The astronaut needs to quickly get to a spaceship. Finally, the doctor. Let's put the doctor in the vehicle. Look, everyone, that's a pair of medical tweezers. Tweezers are used to pick up cotton, grab small objects, and assist doctors when treating patients. Look at this, everyone! We have a jigsaw puzzle! Let's start quickly! Piece number 1, here it is! It's a rabbit driving!
Wow!
Number 2, right here. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Now let's put the 2 wheels on here. Oh, we have an ambulance. Look, it's a thermometer. A thermometer is a tool to measure body temperature. Thermometers are always available in ambulances or hospitals. They are usually placed in the mouth, armpit, or ear to see if someone has a fever. If the temperature is high, it means the body is sick. Hooray! We found all the medical tools, everyone! Let's treat Nikki. Place the stethoscope here. Everything looks okay. Now let's use the thermometer and put it under her arm. She has a fever. Let's give Nikki an injection. All done. Nikki needs to lie down and rest to get better. Hooray! Look! She's feeling better already.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone, and see you again.